Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about LeetCode problem number 1311, which is a medium level problem, and it's the title is Get Watched Videos by Your Friends. Okay, so I'm first going to be discussing the problem statement, and then I'll go over to the example. So there are n people, each person has a unique ID between 0 to n minus 1, 0 and n minus 1, given the arrays watched videos and friends, where watched videos of I and friends of I contain the list of watched videos and the list of friends respectively for the person with ID equal to I. So, for example, watched videos of 1 would denote that the person with ID equal to 1 has watched these particular videos, and friends of 1 would mean the friends connected to 1, that is the neighbors of 1, the person with ID 1. Now, level 1 of videos are all watched videos by your friends. Level 2 of videos are all watched videos by the friends of your friends, and so on. So, in general, the level K of videos are all watched videos by people with the shortest path exactly equal to K with you. Given your ID and level of the videos, return the list of videos ordered by their frequencies increasing. For videos with same frequency order them alphabetically from least to greatest. So we have to sort them lexicographically as well. So firstly, our aim is to basically return the list of videos ordered by their frequencies. So ascending order here, and also if in case they have same frequency, we have to order them lexicographically. So that's basically the problem statement. Now let us get to the solution, the examples. So firstly, we have this watched videos as this, friends list vector of vectors as this, and ID is 0 and level is equal to 1. So basically, let me show you. Friends of 0 would mean that, wait a second. Friends of 0 would mean that this is basically ID 0 person, and he has the friends with ID equal to 1 and 2. Similarly, this is ID equal to 1, the friends of ID equal to 1, and this is friends of ID equal to 2, and this is friends of ID person with ID equal to 3. So basically, this can be formed. This can form a an undirected graph. So you can see that from 0 we have friends 1 and 2. For index 1, that is the person with index 1, he has friends 0 and 3. For person with index 2, he has friends 2 and 0 and 3 again. And for 3 we have 1 and 2. So here they are already connected. So we basically formed an undirected graph which is equal to this itself, and it is unweighted as well. And now watched videos. For watched videos, we see that this is index 0. So basically, person with index 0, that is with ID 0, has watched videos A and B. Person with ID 1 has watched C. Then videos B and C has been watched with by the person with index 2, and for 3 we have watched by watched 3 watched D. Now level equal to 1 is given and ID is equal to 0 is given, right? So basically you have ID equal to 0, that is this person, and the friends would be at level equal to 1, with friends would be 1 and 2. So person with ID equal to 1 has watched C, and person with ID equal to 2 has watched B and C, as I talked about it. So we basically need the frequencies of the watched videos, that is B is basically 1 and C is equal to 2. So we return therefore B and C. This is the solution for level equal to 1. Now in the next example, we have level given as 2. All of the other things are same. So since level is equal to 2, we have a distance of equal to 2 from both these edges. So level is equal to 2, and the friend of friends we are getting, that the only friend of friends is the person with ID equal to 3, that is this level. So you can see that we are going level wise, right? So that basically gives rise to how we approach the problem. That is, since we are traversing this graph level wise, so you can recall that we use breadth first search in that, right? That is, we are going level wise, so we perform a level order traversal. So let me show you how to implement this problem, how to go over it. So this is basically my solution that I posted on LeetCode itself. So using BFS, and I've commented all the important parts. So basically, we have been given a list of people ID with from 0 to n minus 1, a friend graph where friends of I is the list the IDs of person I's friends, and a list of videos each person has watched, along with a specific ID and a level. This ID is basically from where we start at our graph, and the level is target level where we actually need to reach perform by traversing the graph using BFS. So we want to find only the friends at exactly that level. So this level, okay, not earlier than that or not farther than that. So exactly at this level, we have to find the friends who have watched the videos and count the frequency of videos watched by those level K friends, and return the list of those videos sorted first by frequency and then lexicographically. This is basically our problem statement, just compressed into these 3 points. So as I talked about it, it's a classical BFS problem to find nodes which are friends at a certain distance from a source node person ID, right? So the approach that we'll follow is, firstly, we apply BFS to find the level K friends. So we start BFS from the person ID at level 0, maintain a visited array to avoid revisiting the people, which we actually do in our standard BFS approach. Like, we maintain a visited array and we'll use a queue to basically store our node, our ID, and the level that we are at, and stop exploring when the level reaches K, and collect all friend IDs at this level. right? Because we have to consider the friends at that particular level, which is named level itself. Now, step 2 would be counting the video frequencies. So for each friend that has been found at level k, we have to loop over their watched videos and increase their frequencies. So we can use a hash map, that is unordered map. String comma int would be basically that type, because we'll be storing the video name and the corresponding frequency of the video, right? And finally, we sort the videos. Firstly, we sorted by frequency, and if the frequency is the same for the elements, for two elements, then we sort them by lexicographical order, right? So for example, we have frequency of b equal to 2 and c equal to 2. Let us say if we have found b as 2 and c as well as 2 in the frequency in the unordered map like this, right? This is b. So then the frequency is same, so we store our answer in the lexicographical order, that is b first and then c, not the other way around. As it comes in the dictionary, we have to sort like that. And finally, complexity. Since we are using BFS, n would be the total number of people and m is the total number of videos across level k friends. So O of n plus m log m, right? And space complexity is O of n plus m, O of n for visited array and queue, and O of m for hash map and output, right?